Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox cannot join game in June 2026. So let's get straight into the video. We're going to be discussing all the problems that has been going on right over here. So here we're going to be looking at all the problems that has been going on currently. So here are going to be 8 steps that you can simply go ahead and follow in order to fix your problem. The first thing you want to do is check your server status. So Roblox servers might be down. Go to status.roblox.com and then simply go ahead and check if it is down. If it is down, then wait and try again later. If that is not the case, then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try restarting your Wi-Fi or modem, or avoid VPN or proxies. Then the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart the Roblox application, close the Roblox completely, and then reopen it. If you're on a PC, you can simply go ahead and clear the cache by pressing Windows R and typing this in and deleting all the files and folders and restarting Roblox, which will go ahead and fix your problem. If you have any Windows firewall or anything turned on, you can simply go ahead and turn those off. Also go ahead and disable VPNs, proxies, ad blockers, or anything else, and update your Roblox or even reinstall it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you